What is the mean and variance of a random variable? Let x be a random variable and its possible values are x1, x2, x3, xn with corresponding probabilities p1, p2, p3, pn. Then mean of random variable is given by mu summation I is equal to 1 to n xi pi, or we can also write this term mu. It is called expectation of x. Mean is also called as expectation of x. If we put I is equal to 1 to n, then we get x1 p1, x2 p2, x3 p3 dot 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 xn pn. It is called mean of random variable. What is variance of random variable? Variance of random variable is equal summation I is equal to 1 to n xi square pi minus mu square, means minus mean square, and we can write this term x1 square p1 plus x2 square p2 plus x3 square p3 plus xn square pn minus mean square. It is called variance of random variable. Now Bernoulli trials. Bernoulli trials and binomial distribution. An independent experiment which has only two outcomes, success or failure, is called Bernoulli trials. Bernoulli trials always has the following conditions. First condition is number of trials should be finite. First condition, number of trials should be finite. Second condition, trials are mutually independent. And third condition, each trial has only two outcomes. Means either we get success or failure. There are only two outcomes. Bernoulli distribution theorem. Let there be n independent trials in a random experiment, and X denotes the number of success. In this trial, if the probability of getting a success in single trial is P, and probability of getting a failure is Q. Then probability of getting R success in N trials is given by probability of X equal R, where X is a random variable, R is a number of success, NCR P to the power R into Q to the power N minus R, where P plus Q, probability of success and failure, is equal 1. R denotes the number of success, and N minus R is number of failure. Now, if there are n independent trials in a random experiment and X random variable X denotes the number of success in these trials, and P with the probability of getting a success in single trial, and Q is the probability of getting a failure in single trial, then probability of getting R success in N trial is given by this formula. And if we want to find the distribution of the number of success, then distribution of the number of success is given by X is a random variable and Px is its corresponding frequency. Suppose first we get no success. No success means value of R is equal to 0. Then we have NC0 P to the power 0 Q to the power N. We get no success. One success, value of X equal 1, NC1 P to the power 1 Q to the power N minus 1. Two success, NC2 P to the power 2 Q to the power N minus 2. R success, NCR P to the power R Q to the power N minus R. And N success means probability of getting N success in N trial. We have NCN P to the power N and Q to the power N minus N, which is Q to the power 0.